Mastercam's Pickoff-Cutoff toolpath has been enhanced to work better with Swiss-style lathes. The toolpath now works in two different modes. Lathe mode, which is similar to the way it has always worked. Swiss mode, which is triggered by a switch in the post. The new Swiss mode introduces the following differences. On the Setup tab for the Pickoff-Cutoff toolpath, Mastercam uses a different method to calculate the x-coordinate of the cutoff move. When you click From Stock, Mastercam adds the tool clearance distance from the Machine Group Properties dialog box to the stock dimension. This ensures that you will not get a collision warning when pre-positioning the cutoff tool. For pre-positioning the cutoff tool, a new button named Equals Cutoff X has been added to the Operations tab. By selecting this button, the cutoff x-coordinate value copies to the pre-position page. This ensures that the cutoff tool will be pre-positioned at the proper point to begin the cutoff operation. In addition, the minimum x value for the pre-position point has been reduced from the top of the chuck to 0. Mastercam also uses the x-tangent point value from the lathe cutoff operation differently. In lathe mode, x-tangent point is interpreted as an absolute value. In Swiss mode, Mastercam calculates the x-tangent point value from the stock model. The x-tangent point value from the Cutoff Parameters tab is instead added to the calculated value as an adjustment. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam 2021, be sure to visit what'snew.mastercam.com.